Huh. What's that done here? My name is Prince Pig. I'm King Pig's son. Oh, okay. So, and even the Mustache Pig, the cousin slash aunt and slash uncle. Well, I'm an uncle, son, and aunt, and cousin. Oh gosh, I was confusing on a family member. How about your family members of me? Okay. Wait, are you a fruit? Well, take a me.
You're an apple.
I'm not an apple.
Uh-oh. Death trap.
What? This is fruit. This is madness. Ah! Oh my god, go. Prince Pig. Come. Man, what is a wonderful day in here. Oh. Excuse me, man. Why is this human boy named Finn the human? And is that a dog named Jake Dog? The dog. Jake the dog, okay. So, hi guys. How you been? Good. How you been? Sorry for that. Because my name is Umdum and this is Umdum's friend. His name is Kevin and I'm Bob. Yeah, okay, Bob the Umdum and Kevin the Umdum. How about you? Yeah, good. See, a little bit, because Jake this dog is actually too hard to stand, because I don't have stand. Oh, it's okay, maybe you can get the extra ones. Okay, oh, sorry Jake the dog, you can hold it. Ah! What the heck are you doing that, guy? I thought you were a rabbit dude with a human face and a backpack and stretchy arms. What do you do that? I use my slap happy attack. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Ah! Ha ha! Oh, hello. My name is Donatello from Ninja Turtles. Oh, cool, bro. High five. Psst. And high five, bro. Psst. Okay, let's go. Maybe I should stand here and see the crowd. Man, it's a wonderful day in here, Orange, right? Yeah, and the release of the Wolverine has been released in the U.S. theaters. And, well, in Australia, it's actually released yesterday. Yeah, totally, dude. This is my new pet. His name is Rochambeau. What is Rochambeau? He's a crab bug with black spots and he can move. See? He can spin out. Hi guys. Wow, who are you? My name is Fen the Human. Ah, you're the same fan on Cartoon Network, our channel. And I'm Jake the dog. Man, you are too hard to stand because these poor stand is actually broken. Man, because someone's actually broke my stand. Man, I thought you're cool because you're awesome. Yeah, totally. Because of the I'm a Finn the human. See, I have a human face, a rabbit hat. Well, that's not my hat. Yeah. I thought you're the same on my channel. Yeah, the Cartoon Network. Yeah, that TV channel. Yeah. High five, Jake. Ouch. Sorry, Jake. Let me hold you. So, are you sure you said Slamacow? Yeah, Slamacow. High five. Psst. Thank you. And high five too, Bug. He's like gibberish kind of thing. High five. Psst. And how about you, Jake? Let me lay down. High five. And high five. And high five. To you, Donnie. So everyone's all a little bit okay? Huh. What's this? Huh. No one's actually. I need grapefruits to actually knock out this thing. Hello! What the? Is this a pig? Yeah, that's must be Prince Pig, King Pig's son. Are you serious, dude? Banana! 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 Oh my god! Kitty's actually turned into the evil minion. Come on! Let me get them. Okay, yeah. Mr. Green Dude. Tommy! And how about you, guy? Punk? Tommy! Okay, I'm gonna get beat the evil minion. Come here, Rochambeau and Blue. From Foster Home Imaginary Friends. Tommy! Save me, Jake. I save you. Let me get you in the treehouse. Alright, I need to save you. Alright. Yeah, beat the evil minion. Banana. Oh my god, it looks like a zombie. Banana. Banana. Oh no. I gotta spray him with something. Come on, Rochambeau. Put the awful jelly. Oh. Oh my god. You saved me. Oh my god. Jimmy, it's actually saved Prince Pig. You bug. Man, you are a little bit staying. Yeah, thank you, bros. Let me stay here. Thank you to save you. You sure you're okay? Yeah, we are okay, guys. I'll be back. Yeah, me too. Oh, be careful. We're going to get devoured by the sand pit. Yeah, goodbye. Man, those guys are awesome. Okay, guys, I'm back. Man, you beat that evil minion pig kind of thing. Huh. I wonder where these guys are going. Banana! Oh no. Come on, grapefruit! Grandpa Lemon? I'm not grapefruit. I had to get escape from these minions. You ain't gonna eat me. Ah! Banana! Oh boy. Yeah, I love these old cute bug. Well, that's my pet, Rochambeau. It's a crab with black spots and red fang. He looks like a bug kind of thing. Yeah, thank you guys. Because I saved Prince Pig would become an evil minion, like from Despicable Me too. Maybe he's got shot by something. Maybe he must have been a Professor, possibly Four-Man Pig is turned that thing into evil minions, become like something from Sonic Unleashed, I guess. Yeah, we totally said it. Banana. Yeah, even grapefruit's actually eating wasn't a banana, it's a grapefruit. Hey, don't call me that. Okay, grapefruit. Totally. We say it. Thank you. Thank you.